Altasciences is your comprehensive early drug development outsourcing solution. From discovery to preclinical to clinical proof of concept and beyond.
By having a single partner with one program manager overseeing all of your projects, your CDMO and clinical research teams can work in tandem to accelerate your progress to proof of concept and proactively resolve challenges. The advantage is reduced risk and significant savings in both overall time and financial investment.
We offer pharmaceutical contract manufacturing, development, and analytical services, including formulation development, phase 1 through commercial manufacturing, and ICH stability storage and testing.
So we have our schedules 1 through 5 here at Altasciences, so we're able to handle controlled substances for our clients. That schedules 1 through 5 is in analytical and manufacturing. Another unique offering that we offer here is the Grade C room. It's a dual-purpose room. So first, it is capable of handling potent products for our clients, which is becoming increasingly more and more desirable. And the second one is a higher classification of a room. So products that need to be terminally sterilized for injectables, we're capable of handling those here at Altasciences.
We provide analytical method development, qualification, and validation, as well as finished product and release testing. Our experts work with cutting-edge and scalable equipment for quicker development time and method validation. Altasciences has tested or manufactured a wide variety of small molecule dosage forms. Our highly skilled team is extremely flexible and focused on releasing quality batches successfully the first time.
Quality has to be number one in any CDMO pharmaceutical company. Quality has to come first. But another thing that we're very good at here is being able to move quickly for our clients, being able to change on a dime, being able to bring in new equipment for our clients, and being able to really help them through their process of getting them to the end product quicker than really anybody else, and not sacrificing any quality while we do that.
Our integrated, adaptive GMP manufacturing experts work closely with our clinical facilities to manufacture and deliver clinical-grade material with speed and ease.
One of the unique advantages of Altasciences is that there's no handoff between a CDMO organization and a clinical organization. We're integrated. So a drug sponsor has one less vendor to manage by coming to Altasciences, and as such, the CDMO organization is going to make sure that we're going to meet that clinical timeline.
Altasciences has a successful history of working with regulatory agencies. Our facilities and equipment are designed, built, and fully qualified to meet or exceed current regulations worldwide. Through collaboration and tailored solutions, we help you get better drugs to market faster.
Here at Altasciences, our clients have always told us that they appreciate the quality of work that we produce and also the integrity of the people that are involved in working on their project. The most important thing that we do want to drive home with our clients is developing the trust that goes in with any project. This might be their product, but we work on it as a team, and that's a critical piece to the whole development program.
Reliable, responsive, and quality-focused. We are Altasciences.